Hi guys, this is Dipti Garg, this is Rhea Garg. Welcome to our channel Mother Touch. Today we are going to share a few tips that how you can play with 4 to 6 months old babies. Like I'm going to share what I did with her, like how I played with her, how I entertained her. So I'll be sharing those things. Let me know if you have any other idea, and let me know if you think these worked very well. So there are many people that still do not know how to play with them. So if I give them the baby, then they will be like, okay, what should I do with the baby now? She doesn't understand anything, she doesn't know anything, then what should I do? So there are so many ways that you can play with them. Yeah, she can talk now like this, in this way. Okay, so number one, she loves mirrors. Mirrors makes her crazy. So if she sees herself in a mirror, she will be like, ooh, mirror. So that's why her selfies are very nice. Her selfies are very cute. So she loves to have selfies, and she loves it, right? Yeah. Next is swing. Next is swing. So this is like Indian thing that I know because my mom did during my childhood. She used to pick me up on her leg, and she would like jute mate. You'll see the clip. I know. Okay. Next thing is tummy kiss. So she just love it when I kiss on her tummy. She loves poems. So since her birth, we have started singing her poems like nursery rhymes or everything. So she loves most of them. But her current favorite is Nani Teri Morni Ko Mor Le Gaye, that song, and also Ding Dong Bell, Pussy's in the Well. Ding dong bell, pussy's in the well. See, that makes her very smiley and everything. So yeah, she loves poems. And another thing that she just loves since her birth, that is play gym. So she used to play under the play gym. She used to play under the play gym, but now she's old. Now she's almost 6 months old, and so she's now almost 6 months old. So now she plays with her feet. I'll show you that. And after that, next thing she loves is toys. She loves her soft toys so much. We have named each one of them.
I am going to eat you. No, I am going to eat you.
With toys, she loves musical toys as well, but not that loud musical toys, but she loves musical toys. Next is she loves peekaboo. So in India we do like chati, like chati. And now she is busy with her scarf, but yes, we do that, and she just loves that. You'll think I'm crazy, but she loves pillows. She actually plays with pillows. She will take the pillow by herself. She take her small pillow, that one, and she will just rub her face with that and will play with that. I don't know how long, but she will play with that. She loves to play with hands. So if I am if I'm very busy, I just give her my hand. If she's crying, there's a best option to get out of the house. So we just go out of the house and we go either by car, we take her to the car ride, or a pram ride, or through a baby carrier. So she just loves going out of the house. In fact, she loves going outside. Like we have a balcony in our home, so she just loves to look outside through window, through balcony or anything. She just loves to look outside. She loves to play in the dark. So when I switch off the light, she just smiles at me and looks at the very small tube that we have, like 0-watt tube. She just loves to play in that. She loves books. So actually she doesn't read, but there is a book that we have like Animal Voice. So it's of animals, and we just talk to her like, what does this animal do, what does this animal do, how does this animal sound, like what kitty कैसे करती है, meow meow. So she plays with all the voices as well. Right now I placed a mirror over here so that she could sit properly with me to shoot this video. Otherwise she's very 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 active and she will not allow me. Yeah. Funny faces. She just loves it when I make too many funny faces. It's just like so she loves it. Now I think she has already got bored with all those things, but she used to love it when she was 4 months old, when she was 5 months old. Another thing that we do usually, not every day, but usually like every other day, that is exercise. So I just lay her down and then I do all the exercises that I could do with her. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. She just loves all the exercise, all the movement that I do with her arms and legs. Another thing that she loves is tummy time. So there are many kids that love tummy time, I know, and she also loves it. She can roll over and she just rolls over and do it herself now. There's another thing that I do with her, like I talk to her in a different language. I started that when she was like 1.5 months old, and she just replies me back with that. She just loves it when I do like this. Ooh, yes. Another thing that I do with her is like I copy her. I copy her expressions and everything. Ooh. Okay guys, that's it. I think she's very hungry now, so I'll have to go now. And I hope you like all these things that I do with her, how I play with her. God bless you. So just let me know in the comment section if you like these points and how do you play. Let me know in the comment section, and do subscribe. Please subscribe to this channel. Yes, tell them to subscribe. Please subscribe. Woo! And do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Please subscribe, please comment and like and share. Thank you so much for watching, right? Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye. Okay, say bye. 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 Yeah. Bye. Bye.